Hello everyone, I'm Chloe. Today, I will share how to use the GenQi BES Massage Device and some DIY techniques. Let's have a look at the device setup. There will be a box containing a BES massage device and a backpack containing all the accessories, including 2 pairs of handles with different heights, the main device wire, charging threshold wire, electrode brush, 4 binding straps, too long, too small, 8 plastic rings, cotton pad, and 4 empty canvas bags. Here I have already put the cassette seats into the bags. Step 1. Power on the device. Place the device on a table or chair. Unzip the back and you will see a row of sockets. Take out the main device wire from the backpack. Then plug into the main socket. Press the green button to start the power. The ring sound shows that the device is ready. For easy movement, consider purchasing a trolley to place the device on so that it can be easily moved everywhere. Step 2. Prepare the handles. You will get 2 sets of handles with different heights in the backpack. There are 3 sockets on the back. Remember, only the first 2 are used to plug in the handles. Then, put the cotton pad on top and use the plastic rings to secure them. Place them correctly and press the rings down firmly. For easy identification, consider putting color stickers on the handles. 1 pair with orange stickers and the other pair with yellow stickers. You may also put the corresponding colors on the handle sockets and screen, as well as to distinguish them so as not to get confused. If you have purchased our 2 pairs of small electrodes, the plug positions are the same as the handles. The first pair is inserted into the first socket, and the second pair is inserted into the second socket. Step 3. Prepare the electrode brush. The remaining socket is specifically used to connect the brush, and other handles cannot be inserted. Step 4. Prepare the power bank. Use the charging threshold wire to connect a power bank with at least 200 kilowatts capacity to the small circular socket. Please note that only 1 channel can be used here, which means only 1 set of handles. Step 5. Operate the device. We can DIY do it ourselves without relying on anyone else. Here I am demonstrating with 4 small electrodes. Using binding straps, for example, if I want to slim down both arms, I tie them to my arms. Then, pair with our ginseng accent massage cream. Turn to the left, turn on. Squeeze out an appropriate amount of cream on the cotton pad. Turn to the right and close. Gently massage evenly. For handles, it's also possible to DIY. Just make sure the cream covers the cotton pad. Once the cream is applied, you can insert it into the desired slimming area. Once ready, you can start setting the time. The shortest time can be set to 10 minutes and the longest to 90 minutes. The first pair of handles with orange stickers refers to the first screen time. Here, if I just want 10 minutes, I press Time and select 10 minutes. The other pair of handles with yellow stickers refers to the second screen time. Here, you will notice a temperature button. Pressing this button will activate the warm and heat function to release heat while emitting beneficial infrared rays to enhance blood circulation. You can choose between low or high temperature heat according to your own needs, and press again to turn it off if not needed. Here I want low temperature heat. Once selected, you can adjust the intensity according to your own needs. We have a total of 50 intensity levels to choose from. To increase, press Add, and if you feel it's too strong, press minus. The screen frequency section will display low frequency blue and high frequency yellow. Low frequency penetrates deeply, while high frequency spreads the power broadly. Our BES massage device uses high and low frequencies with a resonance every 30 seconds to achieve a deeper clearing effect. Our device is widely used in various areas. For instance, it is suitable for the head, face, neck, shoulders, back, waist, abdomen, limbs, internal organs, reproductive and others areas. When you want to change the area, remember to press the pause button. Remove the electrodes and check if there is enough green. If the surface is dry, add a little. Then, place it in other areas. For example, if I want to release shoulder and neck pain, I will place them on 肩颈, a kill point, and slim down the double chin. Only start the intensity after everything is ready. You can choose a brush, handles, or small electrodes to DIY yourself. For example, use a brush for the head's meridian, handles for the arms, or small electrodes for the armpits. In summary, put the handles where it hurts and where you want to slim down. Our GenQi BES Massage Device is very effective. Wherever you put it, it will definitely work. Please note that acupoint fixation contributes to 70% of the effect, with the remaining 30% from regulation. In today's busy and stressful world, many experience body tension and pain. Our device frees both hands, enabling multitasking while relieving pain, a remarkable convenience. When the set time is reached, you will hear a reminder bell to indicate that the time is up. Finally, clean the surface of the handles, plastic rings or electrode brush with disinfectant wipes. Turn off the power, wind up the main device wire, and may store it behind the box. Roll up the electrode brush and handles, place them inside the backpack. That's all for this video. I'm hopeful this video will enhance understanding for a wider audience on our BES massage device.